Calling all adventurers and water warriors, prepare for Thailand's most vibrant festival, Songkran, the epic Thai New Year water fight. Mark your calendars. In 2024, it explodes from April 13th to 15th. Get ready for 3 days of cultural immersion, legendary water battles, and warm Thai hospitality. So grab your water gun and hit subscribe for more travel adventures, because we're diving into the ultimate Songkran 2024 guide. This will be your one-stop shop for everything you need to know: history, traditions, the wettest party spots, and all the essentials to join the fun. Let's get soaked, a journey through tradition. Songkran is far more than just an epic water fight. It's a deeply ingrained tradition steeped in symbolism and renewal. Marking the beginning of the Thai solar calendar, it's a time for cleansing and a fresh start. The word Songkran itself has Sanskrit roots, signifying astrological passage or change. During this period, Thailand comes alive with a spirit of renewal. Respectful visits are paid to elders, seeking blessings and strengthening family bonds. Temples become vibrant hubs of activity, as Thais participate in merit-making ceremonies. This often involves the symbolic release of caged birds and fish, representing the letting go of negativity and bad luck from the past year. Though undeniably the most visible aspect of Songkran, the playful water fights also hold a deeper meaning. The water is believed to wash away the misfortunes and burdens of the previous year, making way for good fortune and prosperity in the year ahead. So don't be surprised to get soaked. It's not just a playful drenching, it's a sign of good wishes and a way to usher in a fresh start with a joyful spirit. Songkran offers a beautiful glimpse into Thai culture, where tradition and playfulness intertwine to create a truly unique and unforgettable experience. Top Songkran destinations in Thailand. Now let's dive into the heart of the action, the epic water fights. Thailand transforms into a nationwide water battlefield during Songkran, with each region offering a unique flavor of celebration. To help you plan your ultimate Songkran 2024 adventure, here are 3 top destinations catering to different preferences. Bangkok. Bangkok, Thailand's bustling capital, morphs into a vibrant water war zone during Songkran. Legendary hotspots like Silom Road and Khao San Road become battlegrounds, with locals and tourists alike armed with water guns. And buckets. Prepare for a relentless soaking experience. Be prepared to dodge playful attacks from tuk-tuk drivers and shopkeepers and embrace the electrifying energy that fills the air. Pattaya. Pattaya is your Songkran haven if you crave a wild and wet experience where the party never stops. This beach resort town is renowned for its energetic atmosphere, and Songkran takes it to another level. Imagine elaborate water gun battles, foam parties erupting on the beach, and a carnival of music and dance that spills onto the streets. Pattaya offers the ultimate party experience for those seeking non-stop fun and guaranteed drenching. Phuket. Thailand's largest island, Phuket, provides a more relaxed take on Songkran. While water fights are still prevalent, the focus leans more towards experiencing traditional activities and temple ceremonies. Immerse yourself in the beauty of Buddhist rituals, witness ornate parades, and soak up the laid-back island vibes. Phuket's stunning beaches offer a perfect respite after a playful water battle, making it ideal for those seeking a balanced Songkran experience that blends cultural immersion with some good-natured soaking. No matter your preference for the intensity of the water fights, Thailand has a Songkran celebration waiting for you. But for the truly adventurous water warriors, we're about to reveal the secrets to the wettest celebrations of all. Buckle up, because it's about to get wild. The wettest spots. Craving the ultimate drenching experience? Songkran has you covered. Here's a peek into the 3 undisputed champions of soaking revelry. Chiang Mai. Head north to Chiang Mai for a taste of Songkran steeped in tradition. Witness a revered parade showcasing ornate floats and vibrant cultural performances. But be warned, the locals here are legendary for their merciless water throws. Come prepared for a full-body soaking and a truly immersive cultural experience. Patong Beach, Phuket. A beach-turned battleground. Picture this: Patong Beach, a paradise transformed into a chaotic water battleground. During Songkran, expect both locals and tourists armed with an arsenal of super soakers and buckets, ready to unleash a torrent of water. It's a full-on water fight free-for-all, perfect for the truly adventurous who crave an unforgettable drenching. Kaosan Road, Bangkok. The undisputed champion. Buckle up, because Kaosan Road in Bangkok takes wild water fights to a whole new level. Imagine a massive water fight stretching across the entire street, with everyone and everything becoming fair game. It's pure, unadulterated fun, but be prepared for a no-holds-barred soaking experience. This legendary backpacker haven is the undisputed champion for those seeking the ultimate wet and wild Songkran adventure. Waterproof essentials. During the watery chaos, safeguard your belongings by packing essential waterproof gear. Invest in a reliable waterproof phone case to protect your device from the splashes and sprays that are inevitable during Songkran. Additionally, a dry bag will prove invaluable for safeguarding your valuables, such as wallets, keys, and travel documents, ensuring they remain dry and secure throughout the festivities. Opt for lightweight, quick-drying clothing to stay comfortable and agile as you engage in spirited water fights. Remember, embracing the wetness is part of the fun. Water weaponry. Equip yourself with the ultimate arsenal for the water warfare ahead. Embrace the playful spirit of Songkran by investing in a high-quality water gun or super soaker. Choose a model that is safe and user-friendly, ensuring that your participation in the festivities is both enjoyable and respectful to others. Let your creativity flow as you engage in friendly skirmishes and drenching duels with fellow revelers, immersing yourself fully in the joyous atmosphere of the festival. Respectful revelry. While the water fights are undoubtedly the highlight of Songkran, it's essential to remember the cultural significance of this time-honored celebration. Show respect for the traditions and beliefs of the Thai people by exercising restraint and mindfulness, particularly around temples and other sacred sites. Refrain from engaging in water activities near religious venues out of reverence for their spiritual significance. Let your revelry be infused with cultural appreciation and understanding, fostering a sense of harmony and inclusivity within the community. Cash is king. Be prepared for the logistical challenges that may arise during Songkran, such as long lines at ATMs and limited access to banking services. Prioritize carrying an ample supply of cash to cover essential expenses, including transportation, food, and the occasional water gun refill. By ensuring you have sufficient cash on hand, you can navigate the bustling streets with ease and convenience, focusing on enjoying the festivities without any unnecessary interruptions. Protect your eyes. Shield your eyes from the splashes and sprays of water with the proper protective gear. Consider wearing sunglasses or goggles designed to provide ample coverage and prevent irritation or discomfort caused by exposure to water. Not only will these accessories enhance your comfort and visibility during the water fights, but they will also safeguard your eyes from accidental jets of water, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience throughout Songkran. Plan your route. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the festivities and plan your route accordingly to maximize your enjoyment of Songkran. Explore different neighborhoods and event locations to experience a diverse range of activities and cultural performances. Keep in mind the accessibility of transportation options and plan your journey to and from the celebration venues in advance to avoid delays or overcrowding. Embrace the culture. Don't just participate in the water fights. Visit temples to witness traditional ceremonies, learn about Thai New Year customs, and experience the true spirit of Songkran. Songkran beyond the water fights. Songkran isn't just about getting drenched. It's a time for families and communities to come together and celebrate. Here are some cultural experiences you can't miss. Temple merit making. Witness the beautiful ceremony of releasing caged birds and fish, a symbolic act of letting go of negativity and promoting good karma. Sandcastle competitions. Many beaches host elaborate sandcastle competitions during Songkran. Enjoy the artistic displays and even participate if you're feeling creative. Thai New Year delicacies. Savor delicious Thai New Year treats like khao che, flavored rice, and kanom chun, colorful rice dumplings. Traditional music and dance. Immerse yourself in the vibrant sounds of Thai music and witness stunning dance performances during Songkran celebrations. Songkran 2024. Mark your calendars. Songkran 2024 promises an epic adventure in Thailand. Immerse yourself in vibrant cultural experiences, prepare for exhilarating water fights, and embrace the warm hospitality of the Thai people. From temple blessings to epic water battles, Songkran offers a unique chance to connect with this fascinating culture. Pack your bags, grab your water gun, and get ready to experience the magic of the Thai New Year. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting travel adventures and cultural explorations around the globe.